So here we are in Baneasa. We're lining up on runway 07 for takeoff to Tuzla. This is actually quite a special flight because two things are happening. Number one, we are returning Juliet here to her home base in Tuzla. And number two, it's my first time and Juliet's first time to land on our new asphalt runway 1634. The brand spanking new runway.
This flight was to take me from Baneasa Airport, which is Bucharest, the capital of Romania, all the way to Tuzla on the Black Sea to see a brand new runway. Please follow and like for more content of my flights around the world.
I'm pretty excited to land on this new asphalt runway in Tuzla. It's a big upgrade after over 40 years on grass in Tuzla.
Yankee Romeo Sierra Charlie Juliet, wind 180 degrees, 2 knots, runway 07, clear for takeoff.
Yankee Charlie Juliet, clear for takeoff 07. Full power, here we go. Engine in green, speed is alive, and we're going down runway 07. Juliet and me. Ah, she's lovely, and here we go. 1, 2, 3. We're in the air.
337, extindeți latura mare, vă anunț pentru virajele 3 și 4, mai avem o
Life is good.
decolare.
So here we are. We're gonna fly over Tuzla's brand spanking new runway. It's the first time I've ever done this, but we're gonna do this together. Yankee Charlie Juliet, one more pass over 16.
Copy that, one more.
All right. Let's see if we can do this. Whole idea, I'm trying to film under the plane.
Coming in here at low altitude for a low pass on runway 16, brand new asphalt runway. Look at that.
Here we go. 16.
I was holding the Insta360 camera under the wing of the Katana while flying over the runway at about 30 feet.
Oh yeah, look at that beautiful, smooth, black asphalt runway. Brand spanking new. Oh yeah. Isn't that beautiful? I think I got the shot.
Follow, like, and comment for more content. See you soon on our next flight.